Alright, let's do it quick.
Alright, cool. We're here.
Already laughing.
This is how we spend our time.
5 things, $500. Less than 5 days.
Yeah.
Oh, it's filming?
It's been going.
Yes, sir.
Alright, after 2.5 hours of driving from the Airbnb, we got to the Bonneville Salt Flats. Didn't do enough research on it. Didn't think that it would be covered with water, but it still kind of looks pretty cool.
I think one of the best parts about being outside of the city is just being completely alone. Well, except for that guy. So. They don't got this in New York.
Day 1. Del Taco twice.
Maybe 3. Who you never know how the night goes.
Could be a long night. It's day 2. I think, today we're headed to Arches National Park, which is very far south from here. It'll be about like a 3-hour drive. So we're gonna get some coffee, some breakfast, and then head out. So we found a clearing off of the side of the road somewhere. The road's closed, so we can't drive down anymore, but we figured we'd walk down and see if there's a good place to get the drone up in the air.
If I had my phone, I could look up some jokes.
If you had your phone, a lot of things could happen.
I haven't had my phone for a couple days.
And while traveling, it sucks.
We just crash landed in Mars. Arches. And the Marches ain't golden. Well, I have to use these ones. What?
Nothing, huh?
Is that a video?
It was.
I didn't know.
It's been a little wild. Today is a bit cold. We have 3 locations to hit. I think we're gonna start at Utah Lake, then go all the way up to Antelope Island, and then the 3rd place will probably be just roaming around Salt Lake City. So let's have at it. So we got to Utah State Lake Park. Okay, so I gotta redo that. We got to Utah Lake State Park. I drove up, and then we see this.
What is this?
It's closed. It is closed for construction, apparently. So we're gonna have to find a new location for our 5 because this does not seem like it could be one of them. I mean, that's all I got. 30 degrees. Really windy. It's snowing every now and then. So, see you soon. Almost there. Okay, our last night in Salt Lake City, and we took a visit to Temple Square. This is definitely a place to see. The architecture is amazing.
There's also a really angelic choir, which you'll hear in the background. Every direction we walk in is just mind-blowing.
Alright, so for the last stop, I have to say, just walk around Salt Lake City. There's tons to see here. Between the Capitol building, the theaters that are here, they have a really cool trolley system that kind of takes you around the city. So definitely spend some time here. I think you're gonna find a lot of things to do, to see, to experience. So yeah, that's our 5.